Here's a new 2019 Cadillac XT5. The distinctive exterior lends itself to more balance on the road and greater space inside, while the engine delivers excitement behind the wheel. It comes with great features you love: automatic transmission, automatic with driver control suspension management, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, smart device navigation, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and V6 engine. For over a century, Cadillac has been synonymous with automotive innovation. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
Visit our website at edmorsecadillactampa.com or call us today.
For value.